Resolving property disputes, part 9. Now, what is the human nature? That we always feel happy. I don't know why it is so happy. We always feel happy by remaining ahead of others. This is the sign of our happiness. If there are 100 students in a class and 50 clear that class and 50 remains that class only, then the 50 who clear that class feels happy. If all will pass, no, without any grade, the level of happiness will reduce. If we all know that this land belongs to us equally, perhaps there will be no happiness. But when we feel that I have more property than in comparison to my so and so person, in comparison to my so and so friend, in comparison to my so and so relative, I have better facilities in comparison to my others, associates, we feel happy. But now I ask my good friends whether this is the point of happiness. Whether we feel happy for the reason that we are ahead of others to whom we know, because there is no end, there is no top. Top is always vacant. 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 So, for the time being, when we are ahead of others, we will feel happy. And if another comes ahead of us, we will feel sad. But if these feelings, we should not allow to come to our mind. We feel same in all the conditions. Whether we are better than others or we are inferior to others in any manner. But we should never think on these lines. We think that we are what we are, neither inferior nor superior. We are the persons of the God. We need something to survive, and that we have. We don't need anything more than we need. Perhaps the happiness will remain with us always, and this feeling, if generated in the parties before you who are litigating among themselves, or if you are litigating with your own and near and dear ones, this feeling you generate in yourself, these thoughts, if you generate in yourself, the thought is that you are happy because your needs are fulfilled. You are happy because your needs are fulfilled. You are not inferior to anyone. Having more will not give you any happiness. Rather, it will give you more responsibility. If these feelings are there, the disputes with regard to property bound to be resolved. Thank you.